This microphone helps in removing background noise, and it also helps in making a sound video. So I'm going to teach you how you can use this microphone to make a sound video. This microphone is of two types. We have iPhone type and we have Android type. In case if you want to order it, you order the right one for your phone. So this one is for Android type C. It's for Android type. So this is it. You take it out from the inside. Take it out. You bring out the microphone. This is the microphone. You see how small it is? This is how you can turn it on. The button, this button here, you press at the button, press it tight, and it's going to turn on. The other piece in the middle, you will insert it at the bottom of the phone where you charge your phone. You insert it on it. If you insert the cord on it, it might not work immediately. So in case your phone did not connect with the microphone immediately, you have to download Open Camera. In the Open Camera, if you download the app, you go to setting. You go to setting, you set it as use microphone. So you're good in doing any kinds of video you want to do. You are good, trust me. Please subscribe.